how to strike a balance between aggressiveness and assertiveness, you see, the answer is in your question. You do not strike a balance between aggressive and assertive, because remember, when you ask this question, how to strike a balance between aggressiveness and assertiveness, your mind is identifying that assertiveness is opposite of aggressiveness, and I need to go into a states of aggressiveness and I need to go into states of assertiveness. But the truth is, when you are just assertive, when you just respond, then it is automatically either aggressive or just sufficient to the situation. Now you have to understand, I am absolutely aware. In a relationship, I'll give you this example so you will understand. Your wife had some altercation or some stress with the vegetable vendor or her office, in the business, in the job, whatever she does, she has some stress. So she comes back home and now she will pass a negative comment or she will say something which irritates you. That point in time, if I am absolutely assertive and I am centered within you, am I clear with you? If I am centered within my own self, then what happens? If I am centered, then I will understand to the situation how. I will understand what is my current state, what is her emotional state. I look at her face and I know what she is passing through. And then I make my statement. Then it can be aggressive or it can be sufficient to the situation. But the situation will always go well. But if I lose my center and think on what she said, if what is said is more important than what is the situation, then aggressiveness comes into place. This happens with most spouses. If you see, you will say your spouse, wow, today you are looking very beautiful. And immediately the wife says, today the matching is not perfect, or today it didn't go well, or today it's not. She will pass some negative comment. At that point in time, how centered you are within. No, I still feel you are beautiful. Though the matching has not happened properly, or though today the dress is not well, or though whatever it is, I still feel it is good because I feel you are very beautiful today. They won't actually feel it negative, they will feel positive towards the situation. So, in any example, if you understand, being centered within you and responding to the situation as the situation demands is the right behavior, not choosing between being aggressive and being assertive. Actually, being assertive is behaving according to the situation. And if situation demands aggressiveness, you behave aggressive. If the situation demands soberness, you behave according to the sober. But by being assertive, you never lose balance. Assertiveness is the balance. Your mind is now perceiving that assertiveness is separate from aggressiveness. And when I lose my temper, when you lose your temper or when you cater, there has to be a mindset. You do not have this awareness that we need to cater our temper. Like during the food, they serve you with this the vegetable in the same fashion. You need to serve them with aggressiveness or you need to serve them with soberness. In your life, if you develop that self-centeredness, then what happens? You, according to the situation, you behave. But if you lose that self-awareness of the situation and of the surroundings and of your true self, then what happens? You behave according to the situation. In respect to what is being said or done. You behave according to the situation with respect to what is being said or done, thereby giving entire control to others. Yes or no? So, how to balance aggressiveness and assertiveness? Trying to balance aggressiveness and assertiveness is trying to identify them as opposites. Am I clear with you? No. Aggressiveness has a wider range. It starts from sober to aggressiveness. And being assertive delivers all the range. But being aggressive is only aggressive, it does not have a range. Am I clear with you? It does not have a range. It is just mindlessly losing your temper. Assertiveness is mindfully catering your temper to the situation. So first you need to identify that assertiveness is a band which includes aggressiveness to soberness. And how can I achieve this assertiveness? Only by focusing on myself. And if I am centered within myself, I will have good understanding of the situations. And if I have good understanding about myself, the position, my own center and the situations, then I will have good understanding about what is said and done around me. And if I have all the three, that is center or focus on yourself, focus on the situation and focus on what is said and done, then my mind will automatically come up with a perfect behavioral pattern to the situation. So, identify that in assertiveness there is aggressiveness also, but in aggressiveness there is no assertiveness. When you identify this, you automatically feel an enormous understanding, and that understanding will lead you into focus or being centered within you. And when you are centered within you, you automatically realize, I am born to succeed because I am designed to succeed. Jai Gurudatta. Jai Gurudatta. Jai Jai Gurudatta.